Hi, I'm Bryan Sanchez, 21 years old, representing Bachelor of Science in Information Systems. I like dancing because it boosts my confidence level. And I love playing volleyball because it exercises my physical fitness and enjoyment in playing. And I like watching movies because it relieves my stress and makes me relax. I'm so thankful for our BSIS department for their support and guidance in this competition. With the help of our Almighty Father, I believe that education is the key in achieving your goals and ambitions in life. Once again, I'm Bryan Sanchez from BSIS Department. Thank you and be safe everyone.